Today I will show you how to export StreamFlow videos in HD and post them on YouTube. Go to File, Export, then name it, then go to Customize, Settings, and click Settings. Then click on 8.264 once again. Keep the frame rate on current. Get the keyframes every 24 frames and put the quality to best. Then go to Filter. You should always have it on none, but if you want a special effect on it to make it look cool or strange, click one. Size, go to HD 1280 x 720 16:9 or 1280 x 720 HD. It doesn't matter which one you pick though, they both get the same quality when they're posted on YouTube. Then go to Sound Settings, Format AAC, Stereo, Left, Right. Quality, have it on Best. Have the encoding strategy, Average bitrate, Target bitrate, have it on 192. Then prepare the internet streaming fast start. Then OK. Before we get to motion blur, we need to do something else. Go to Dimension, Scale to Custom Size, click make 1280 x 720. Okay, motion blur, if you're having something flying across your screen and you want to blur on it, if you want that, then click export. It would depend how long it will take, like how long the video is. Then go to www.youtube.com, go to upload video file, name it and everything. It might take a while to get it in HD. It depends. Don't do anything while the video is uploading on YouTube, and it also depends on your internet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you.